Let's install GitLab in this video. I assume you have created a virtual server for your GitLab instance. If not, go ahead and create one for it first. Make sure the server has at least 2 GB of RAM allocated to it. GitLab recommends 4 GB, but 2 GB of RAM will do for this course. You should also allocate a minimum of 15 to 20 GB of hard disk space to the machine to avoid running into some storage space problems later. We are going to be following the installation instructions from GitLab's official website. So go to about.gitlab.com. Click Install GitLab. You can see that the recommended minimum amount of RAM is 4 GB, but I am installing it on a server with 2 GB. I am installing on Ubuntu 20.04, so I will click Ubuntu. I will update the server's package index with this command: sudo apt update. Next, I will run this command to install curl, open SSH server, CA certificate, and TZ data. The next step about configuring email server is not applicable to us for now because we are working on a local environment and there's no way we can send or receive email notifications, so I will skip it. Next, we will add the GitLab package repository and install the package. So I will copy this command, paste in my terminal, and press enter to run. The repository is set up. We can now install packages. I will clear my screen. What I will do now is copy this command, paste in Notepad, and make some modifications to it. I will change the URL to gitlab.test. I will remove the S because HTTPS needs a valid hostname to work. Next, I will run the command to install GitLab Enterprise Edition and configure the specified URL, which for me is gitlab.test. The installation is going to take some minutes, so be patient and wait for it to do its things. To avoid wasting your time, I will pause this recording and come back when it's done installing. Installation complete. GitLab should be available at the specified URL, which for me is gitlab.test. If the installation is not successful for you, make sure you are installing the right package for the right operating system. You should also check that you have enough RAM and hard disk space allocated to your server. Next, I will visit the URL using my Chrome browser, and there is a DNS error. We need to configure our local DNS service for the host name to be recognized by our machine, and we are going to do that in the next video.